Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. So, the basic thing we'll be doing today is just to take us through how to set up our Upwork account, how to have a standard Upwork account, and for you to start getting invites, for your account to rank well. Those you need to send proposals to, and those who you should not send proposals to. So those are the basic things we are going to be talking on this morning. But for our I don't want the what's it called the time to be too long. So I'll just find a way of making it short and a way whereby we all are going to understand what it is that I'm trying to like teach out to us. So now, selling, we all know what Upwork is. For you to like start selling on Upwork, you know what Upwork is, what Upwork entails. You know, on Upwork is not like Fiverr where you just open an account down and promote your account, then buyers will reach out to you through your ranking and profile. But on Upwork, you need to start sending proposals. Then there's something we use in sending proposals on Upwork, which is connect. So these are the basic things that I'm sure that we all will know. So then I'll just rush through some things in Upwork you need to understand probably as a newbie. If you're watching the video, probably as a newbie. Yeah. So some things you need to look into, or normal thing that you need to look into. Number one is your profile title. Let's talk about your profile picture first. Normal. If even if you want to use AI profile picture, open joy. Because when you're trying to verify it, so people could join, you have an issue with Upwork. So that one is constant. Then when you're trying to open Upwork, the details you have on your NIN or your voter's card or your international passport, the details have to correlate with whatever it is that you are using to open. With the address, don't let me use the word whatever, with the address on your Upwork. So let's say your name has to correlate, your address has to correlate, phone number is not necessary. Are you getting it like that? So um back to our profile picture. You don't use profile picture where you bóyá picture tẹ yà lágbolé, tẹ yà ní street, or pictures that has cars, that has background sha. You don't use it for your Upwork, you use professional pictures. You can go ahead to snap professional pictures, or you have a particular picture that is nice, probably you took it outside, then you go on Canva, or you make use of remove dot background remover to remove the background and just put something. Because this one that I used, I actually removed the background, and I this is my sister's profile, but I'm using it. So I had to like change the background and use it. So you have to use a professional pictures, because one thing is Upwork is for professionals. You cannot just come there on Upwork and you don't know how to sell, you don't know what to do on there, and you are there. It is not possible. There's no way you are going to make money or make it work on Upwork. So now the next thing we need to do, we need to know there's something we call job success score. Now, job success score, maybe when you are done with, sorry, excuse me, maybe when you are done with two or three, as a new seller on Upwork, if you are done with two or three this thing, two or three projects, they are going to give you job success score. They're top rated. There are some qualifications to top rated. One of the qualification is when you get $1,000, when you make $1,000 on Upwork, 16 of 16 weeks, and work with two or three potential clients that will give you 5-star review, 90 to 100% job success score. So those are the things that will qualify you in having a top rated. Then we have what is called profile title. Now, your profile title says just a little bit. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm back. Sorry. Your profile title says a little bit of who you are, what people are going to look into when it comes to your profile. It tells clients who you are, yeah, and what you do in just few words. Just like this. Anybody coming to my profile now, you know that I'm an expert in ClickFunnels, high level Kajabi. And what I do mostly is go high level website specialist. So when you come to my profile, you're going to what? You are going to see it. Then me, I like to start with review. because I have reviews on my account. That is why I started with review. For people who do not have reviews on their account, you can just start your account. We also get to a place where I will take us through testimonials and the likes. So yeah, said this is what we call profile description. Now this side is where you describe who you are, what you do, and how you can help clients in detailed. Like it has to be detailed. You know, your profile title at least is just a little bit of who you are, what you do in just few words. But when you come to your profile description, like Ogudo, like it has to be detailed. Like everything that you do, you see, I said I'm an expert in click high level Kajabi. Then on my profile says everything that I do on ClickFunnels, on Kajabi, on Go High Level. It says everything with keywords. I hope you are getting it now. So then there's another thing we call specialized profile. You know, normal on Fiverr, you can only have one profile. Then you have, I think for a new seller, you have an opportunity of creating 4 gigs, if I'm correct. So now there is what we call specialized profile on Upwork. That is now on my whole work, which is on my general profile. I said that I'm an expert in click from high level Kajabi and go level specialist. But when it comes to specialized profile, now specialized profile allows you to target different types of clients with tailored descriptions, titles, portfolios, and rates. Now, this is what I mean. Let's come here. Marketing automation here. In customer monta is just what? It's just go high level. So everything here that I spoke about is what? Is on go high level. I hope I get what I'm trying to say now. So if I'm trying to send a proposal for just go high level alone, I'm going to use this profile to send proposal. Now, let's come to the other one, which is my what? Website design. The category is web design. And what I say I'm selling here is what? Is Kajabi. Are you getting it now? So if I'm trying to send a the Kajabi proposal, I'm going to use what? This profile in what? In sending it. Now, there are some clients that probably they want to like move their website from ClickFunnels to go high level. Or I want to send a profile of go high level. I'm going to use what? I'm going to use this profile. I want to send a proposal of go high level. I'm going to use this profile. So please let us make sure we take our time in listening to. Don't forward. Listen to it. You are going to need everything that I'm going to be saying on this video. So now another thing that we're going to be talking about is what is our portfolio. So now portfolio, now this is where you have examples of the real projects that you have done or you have completed for clients. So that people can trust you when they come on your profile and they see that okay, this person has this and this and this and this portfolio. They'll be able to trust you so that you can deliver something that is similar for them. So now let's say mo wá ṣí account mi ò wá ní any this thing, so any portfolio sórí account mi. How do I want people to trust me or let them know that lóòótọ́ I'm doing what? I'm selling this particular service or I know how to sell and deliver this particular service. I hope you are getting it now. So it contains what? Images of what? Or works of what you did gangan fúnra yín. Kì í ṣe iṣẹ́ oníṣẹ́ tẹ lọ jí. Are you getting it now? Because iṣẹ́ yín lẹ máa fi sí. Are you getting it? At least when if you are a newbie, when you're doing training in the office, you did some trainings. They gave you assignments, so you can put all those assignments inside mock-ups, just like I did here. All these ones are what we call mock-up. Kò ṣe cup tán fi máa ń mumi o. So this is what we call mock-up. Ẹ máa rí àwọn design yẹn bó ṣe rí. They are mock-ups. Can you see them? You can have as many as possible portfolio, as many as possible. Don't let me go far. As many as possible. I even had to add my website. I had to add my website there. Sure you get like that. So another thing we need to look into is skills. Can you see? I just made a video of my until the video alone on the website. So you can do the same thing if you have videos of past jobs that you have done. Probably you are trying to show them the functionalities bó ṣe ń ṣe, bóyá bó ṣe ń move àwọn nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣá. Are you getting it? So you can like go use any video extension to make the videos and just add it. Can you see? Thank you. Really, to buy when you place your cursor on it, it's going to change color. You're going to show them everything. I changed some things here too. So that would be that about that. Then the next thing we are talking about is skills. So let me maneuver to where we have skills. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, work. So now, our skill. I said skills are specific abilities or area of expertise that describe what you can do as a freelancer with certain talent. Now, your skills that you had on Upwork, òun ló máa sọ fún client àti Upwork, òun ló máa it will be the one that will tell Upwork algorithm that is the kind of how do I put it, the kind of job posts that you are going to be seeing on Upwork. Are you getting it now? It is the skills that you have, Egba mi o. It is the skills that you have or that you had that is going to Emma Binjai, that is going to bring know or tell Upwork algorithm the kind of work that they are going to give to you. So na èmi tí mo sọ pé mo ń ta high level ClickFunnels, Kajabi and the likes, kí wọ́n á lọ máa fi Shopify, WordPress sí àwọn iṣẹ́ tí màá máa rí nìyẹn. Are you getting it now? So another thing is we need to talk about is work history. Now our work history is where ibẹ̀ ló máa sọ fún client nípa àwọn iṣẹ́ tá a ti ṣe. Are you getting it now? All the job posts, all the jobs that we have completed on Upwork, those ones that we are still doing. Are you getting it now? So ibẹ̀ lọ́ ti máa ṣe kí ni? Ibẹ̀ lọ́ ti máa rí. Are you getting it now? Àwọn eléyìí tá a complete lórí ẹ máa rí àwọn review ńbẹ̀. Those are the job posts that I what? Some of the job posts that I've completed on Upwork. Can you see it? So àwọn iṣẹ́ nìkan tó jẹ́ pé ẹ gbà lórí Upwork ibẹ̀ lẹ ti máa rí. There's something we call project catalog. Now on Fiverr, we have gigs. Now project catalog is similar to Fiverr gigs. Are you getting it now? You know on Fiverr as a new seller, you have opportunity of creating I think 5. When it comes to Upwork, we call it project catalog. An example is this. Let me show us. Let me see your project catalog. Can you see? You can have as many as possible. Are you getting it now? Can you see now? I'm selling Podi, I'm selling Graphy, I'm selling Kajabi, I'm selling Stanstore. I'm still going to add more there. I have so many in draft. Are you getting it now? So you can sell as many as possible services that are not even on your profile. You can send them on. You can sell them on your project catalog, because you have an opportunity of adding your title, your description, a lot like detailed this thing, before Upwork will verify it or live it, they have to review it first. But now I think when you just when you are done and you're trying to like publish it, it's going to get published. Sorry, excuse me. Yeah. So another thing we'll be talking about is connect. Now, connect on Upwork is what you use to apply for jobs. Normal before on Fiverr, they used to give us 10 what's the beginning? 10 English. They just used to give us opportunity of sending 10 proposals to clients on Fiverr before. But now Fiverr does not allow you to send proposal, but Upwork, your connect is what you use in what in sending proposals on Upwork. That is just the layman language. Then another thing is video introduction. Me, I did not add video introduction, but my other account I have video introduction on it. But this one I do not have. But your video introduction normal is just a short video to help like you are going to do personally to introduce yourself. You can introduce your potential clients. Even if you have some works that you have done before, you can just record them and just put it on your on your video introduction. But basically, video introduction says a lot of things about what you do, about the services you sell, about who you are and the likes. You can make a video. Hi, my name is Kiniko Kiniko. I am a Kiniko Kiniko. Like just you can show them your if you have your Behance portfolio, you can show it to them and every other thing like that. So yeah. Then we have what we call hours per week. Now hours per week, yeah. It is the number of hours you are available or that you are willing to work. I get as needed open to offer ni mo fi sí tẹ́lẹ̀ náà. So like only a number of hours tẹ́ wà available láti bá èèyàn ṣiṣẹ́ or that you are willing to work for each client each week. Are we getting it now? So let's say here I'm available to work for 30 more than 30 hours per week. I'm available to work for less than 30 hours per week. I'm open to offer anything. You just what you put it in there. The another thing is language. No one know I'm a fiver now. Or you add languages as well. Probably if you are fluent in English, French, Arabic, German, any kind of languages that you can speak, you put it there. Then another thing we need to look at is verification. So this one is when you verify your profile. Before on Upwork, when you get the bá ti gbaṣẹ́ by fast, Upwork will send you notification that you should verify your account. Are we still recording? They will send you messages straight that you should what? You should verify your account. But it is not like that again. Shey get buy tẹ bá ti ṣí account buy Upwork will ask you to verify at times. Ìgbà mí sef when you open an account, mo ti ṣí account, my second account to yẹ mo ṣí, wọ́n block they blocked it instantly and I had to like plead. Then after I plead, and I had to like verify. But still it will not show on my profile that it's verified until tí n bá tó gbaṣẹ́ síbẹ̀. And now Upwork will ask you to use I think ṣé 200 connect abi 100 connect to verify so that it can show on your what? The badge can show on your profile. So then another thing is the education. I used to tell people torí pé o lọ sí school, I read biology education in school. Now torí pé mo lọ sí school lọ read biology education, that does not mean I will come to Upwork and write it there that I read biology education. How does it correlate with tech? So I used to advise people that when you want to open pick a tó bá tiẹ̀ tí lọ university, kò séyàn tó máa challenge ẹ lórí Upwork pé school wo lọ, give me your what, give me the proof or show me your certificate. It is not possible. So you can just what, I told us the training is going to be detailed as possible, and I'm going to try to make it very, very short and easy for us to go through. So education, bó o tiẹ̀ lọ sí school, ṣáà di university kan tó mọ̀ pé wọ́n read computer science and other courses that are related to tech. Then another thing is testimonial. Now this account, when I opened this account because my Canada account got blocked, so I now had to open this one with my sister's profile. Then I did not have review, I only had a testimonial. Now testimonial is let's say statement, when you have written statement of employers that can vouch for you, tó lè fọwọ́ sọ̀yà pé lóòótọ́ lóòótọ́ àwọn ti ṣe kíni, àwọn ti báyìí ní ṣiṣẹ́ rí and he or she can able to deliver well. So that is where you have what? Testimonials. So you can request testimonials from people on LinkedIn. Probably you have a buyer that is working on LinkedIn. The thing is I will not advise that, or if you have somebody in your office tó yẹ pé profile lórí LinkedIn kò sọ pé I am open to work or open to offer. Somebody that is active on LinkedIn that posts jobs and everything, you can what? You can just what? Request for testimonial from them by getting their first name, their last name, their business email address, their LinkedIn profile title. Then you just write a message to them, hi, blah 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 blah. I am writing to request for a testimonial based on our past project or past works together. Are you getting it like that? Then it's going to display on Upwork. So even if you don't have reviews yet, you can still use this one in getting jobs. Yeah, because a living testimony, this account months tí mo anyway, ẹ mọ̀ pé ìgbà míì o, don't forget o, God is always involved o, don't forget o, God is always involved in whatever it is that we do. Shey you get? But this account my account got blocked, and you know now in the midst of wọ́n block ẹ̀ mọ́ owó, I have to do PV, everything. So I just opened this account, I requested from a testimonial from a friend of mine. I sent proposal. Was it the second proposal or the first proposal that I sent? I got the job up to 5. So like with proposal, everything need to work out. Just know how to write and this time sef ChatGPT has made it easy for us. So just make sure you know how to write out conversing proposals and you are good to go. Then there's something we called certification. Now eléyìí certification, this is where you list your probably how do I put it o, English àwọn bóyá àwọn professional certificate tẹ́ bá ti ní, àwọn skills bóyá àwọn trainings tẹ́ take online, you can add it there. I had it on my second profile, it's not just here. Then other experience, yeah. Now other experience yìí ibẹ̀ lẹ ti máa add the other professional services tẹ́ ní. Ó wà nsàlẹ̀, can you see? Other experience. You can add as many as possible. I only want to use, I'm only adding Kajabi, Go high level, Go high level. So if you have other skills that you're rendering, probably Squarespace, WordPress, Wix, Anything, any other services that you are into, you can what? You can have them here. Then your other, I think that is other experience, Abby. I've spoken about have I spoken about employment history? I've spoken about other experience, but I'm not sure I've spoken about employment history. Okay, okay. Now our employment history, we can add all these things that I have here. Àwọn iṣẹ́ tí mo ti bá yàn ṣe lórí Upwork ni. But if you don't have, when I first started using this account, this was what I added. Mo ti yọ dànù. When I first started using the account, do you know what I added? It was um FHG, website designer for FHG. Ibẹ̀ ni mo wà àti ibẹ̀ mo tún wá di Fiverr gan mọ̀, but it was later that somebody now told me that, do I know that Fiverr and Upwork, in as èmi gan mo dẹ̀ fi kíní yẹn gbaṣẹ́, I don't know why I removed it torí just the thing is, you see, just know what works for you jare. Because the person was like telling me that Upwork and Fiverr, they are both freelancing platform. I should not put it. Ìgbà tó yẹ pé iṣẹ́ fún mi, I did not remove it o. This is it sef. It was right from side, not remove it o. Kò dẹ̀ stop me láti máa gbaṣẹ́. So that is it. Then proposal, normal, there are messages and applications that you send to clients. There are job posts who you consider that probably you can work with and the like. So now, how let's now go into how to set up your account, how to have a standard Upwork account. Yeah, so now one thing is this: when you're trying to set up your Upwork account, these are the things you need to look into. So sorry, can be a baby sometimes. So now, I stated something earlier. I said when I first started this account, the testimonial tó wà nísàlẹ̀ yẹn, òun ló wà lókè. So when I was not getting jobs, then now I was like remove it. Then hourly rate Emma, don't I see some people using 6, 7, 8, 9. Why? Least is 10. You can put the least. You're a professional in your field. Sorry. You're a professional in your field. So the idea of we using 9, 6, 5, 4, it is wrong. So you can start with $10. Before I said that my other account, it was $30 per hour. I was getting jobs until got on my block here because mo ṣàṣemáṣe. So now to open a new account, then I started with 15. And it's like Upwork is like saturated unlike before when we first joined and when we first started using Upwork. So that is that about that. So if you have testimonials, you might want to start with a testimonial, and if not, just move on with it. I actually learned too from someone, so I had to like revamp my profile, but I'm not done. So I'm going to be using this profile to do what? To train us on how you can have your a standard account. Yeah. How you can have a standard account and actually so now let me make use of this. So number one thing before I do this, we are going to go into Upwork, search for Kajabi. Sorry, we are not searching for jobs, we are going to search for clients, for talent. So you are going to search for talent. So now I will advise that, see, all these people in first tó wà ní first page yẹn, at least account on rank ni wọ́n ṣe wà ní first. Are you getting it? Sorry, what's happening? Sorry. Ah, what's on my